What's going on, everyone? It's Mr. West. I hope you're all well. So this is literally a really quick video to let you know about an experimental hack for the OnePlus 7 Pro, which allows you to activate ultra-wide angle video recording. Yes, this is something we really hoped for in the last software update, but sadly it wasn't meant to be. But at least this shows that it is possible, and I hope that OnePlus would include it in a future software update. Now, before I go any further, I must give a huge shout out to my good buddy Damien Wilde, who messaged me earlier to let me know how to activate this feature. He has his own YouTube channel, and he's also one of the digital content curators for 9 to 5 Google. I'll leave some cards on the screen right now so you can go and check him out. Please do so, because he's a very talented creator and well worth having a look at. So I'll move to the screen recorder now, and I'll show you exactly how to activate this feature. Please bear in mind it is an experimental hack at the moment and is not fully featured, but it does show you what is possible with the phone. Okay, so to get into the experimental camera menu for your OnePlus 7 Pro, in order to enable the ultra-wide angle video, click on the phone app and then click the keypad when you get into that application. You then need to do this combination, *#*1597 #*#*. This then brings up the experimental menu for your camera app. So it looks very much the same. If you look down the left hand side, you'll see some red writing which shows the current parameters. So select video, and we're currently in the standard main lens. We then cycle through using the camera switcher in the bottom right hand corner. So that's the front camera, hello. Telephoto lens, and then finally ultra wide angle. So you can see it offers a much more expansive field of view. I'm actually a lot closer to this bench than the camera would suggest, but the ultra wide angle does do that. It does allow for a much more dramatic field of vision, which is great. You can see the sun slightly distorts when you go off center, which is normal for ultra wide angles, but it is nice to see this feature, and it does give us some glimmer of hope that OnePlus can build this into a bumper software update later on. Now, one thing to bear in mind is that it's locked at 1080p at 30 frames per second and uses optical image stabilization and not electronic image stabilization. I suspect if they use EIS, it would lose some of the effect, because obviously they would need to crop in the image, and that then would lose some of the field of view. But again, it's nice to be able to see this feature in action, and once again, big thanks to Damien for letting me know about this little trick that you can use to enable this feature. So if you've got any questions, then as always, please leave those in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you're new around here, then please consider subscribing so you don't miss more videos coming on the OnePlus 7 Pro very soon, and also other content about other stuff as well. But for now, this has been my look at the ultra wide angle video hack for the OnePlus 7 Pro. My name's Mr. West, and I'll catch you guys later.